Coming to you from the world-renowned Simoniz garage, named for the oldest auto appearance brand in the world. These master detail technicians have the luxury of working alongside some of the finest chemical engineers in the world to develop the highest quality detail products. It is with these products that the Simoniz garage techs operate a real detail facility in West Hartford, Connecticut. Welcome to the Simoniz garage. Hello from the Simoniz garage. I'm Tom Palanci, a detail operations manager here at Simoniz. Did you know that every day Simoniz products touch over 1 million cars? Today we're going to show you how Simoniz products are going to transform this 2016 Range Rover Sport. So we got a call from a regular customer who wanted to gift a detail to a family member. We just got the vehicle in, so now we're going to walk through and check out the areas of concern so we can get this thing clean. First thing I notice is that it looks like this car hasn't been parked in a garage. It's got sap all over it. It's on the glass, it's on the hood, it's on the fender, it's on everything, even the headlight here. We have some salt and road debris pretty much throughout the entire vehicle. Obviously the wheels, much like most European cars, need some heavy attention. We have bird waste here. We have some scuff marks here, which we will take care of before we get that back to the customer. As far as scratches, I won't know until we get this thing clean. So let's get into the wash bay. Here at the Simoniz garage, our detail techs have the luxury of working alongside the chemists in our laboratory to develop products for detail services. Let's get started. So first we rinse the vehicle, it cools down the wheels, knocks off any of the heavy debris. We're going to follow up with a wheel cleaner. It's an alkaline wheel cleaner because these are painted rims. And in this case we're using Breakaway. On the front of the vehicle we're spraying Don't Bug Me. That's for any bugs that might be on the surfaces such as the side view mirrors, the eyebrow of the vehicle, and the front of the vehicle. At the same time, in the other hand, he's using Tar Solve for the lower rocker panels for any of the asphalt and road oils. Starting in the rear of the vehicle and working their way around, they're spraying Crush Plus on all of the door jambs, gas door, and wheel wells, because they're plastic in this case, to get any of the road oils and asphalt from those areas. As the products dwell, they're going to agitate each surface to get any of the large debris. As we sprayed Crush Plus into each door jamb and gas door and then close the vehicle doors, they only need to spray the pressure washer into each seam to flush out any of that debris. At this point, we're going to spray a lubricating car wash soap, in this case cherry syrup soap, onto the entire vehicle. So obviously the last part of the wash process is to dry the vehicle. They're going to first knock down the large amount of water with a dry blade and then follow up with a hot air blower. So now that the vehicle's clean, we're able to see a ton of sap. So we're going to use Simoniz hand sanitizer, which we have in a dispenser in the corner of the shop here, to remove all of it. And lastly, we noticed that there's some paint scuffs on a few different areas of the vehicle, so we're going to take Big Red heavy cut rubbing compound and take it right off by hand. So now we're starting with a clean slate. Stay tuned for the next chapter when we open the doors on this thing.